I got it out the soil. And today, I'm just doing random stuff in my garden, such as planting my seedlings, planting seeds right here in this garden bed. I want to direct sow into the garden bed just to see if anything's going to pop up. So today is just a random day of me planting in different areas, and we're going to see how good my garden bed, how good it saves nutrients. So we're going to see if anything pop up over the few weeks of me gardening. One of them days, random, beautiful day, I want to get out in my garden, catch up. I'm going to be out here for at least another hour. I'm just planting a couple more seedlings, and I'm going to also put seeds down. So that's all I'm going to be doing in this garden bed. I'm also going to put my lettuce and kale and white onions in my container garden. So that's what I'm going to be doing as well. So I'll be out here for another hour, if that. I just love the sun and digging in the dirt. So that's it for that. So let's get back to this garden bed, shall we? Me paranoid, always thinking something behind me. There ain't nobody behind you, girl. Stop that looking at me. An update on this compost bin. Ooh, got a little waste here. I wonder should I put my compost in my garden bed since there's so many worms in there. I don't know. But for the time being, I checked this. There's no worms in yet. but I did just make this, so I'm gonna put a little bit more soil in this garden bed so they can have more of a cushion bedding at the bottom. So I may just add more soil to the bottom because I think that is it don't have enough soil at the bottom. I made about this thick. I may just dump that idea altogether, but that's my thought right now. But I think it's doing well. I mean, I really can't give you no update because it ain't been that long. So that's that on the updates on the compost plan.
Hey y'all, it's I got it out of soil here, and I noticed I ain't do an outro, so here I go. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you can know every time I drop a video, and make sure y'all are sharing the content. You know that help us. So like I always say, get it out the soil no matter what, and the seeds you plant today will grow a beautiful harvest tomorrow, even if you believe in it or not. So I had to give a voice over and let the people know that this is the end of the video. So that's it, y'all. Peace. Bye.
Another day. I will say another harvest, but as you can see, ain't no harvesting happening soon. It's just a random video. It's really nothing for real. I'm just planting in my garden and my good old trusty black worm castings. I knew that was gonna happen. Cause like I always tell y'all, my ground is not leveled at all, so that's why I never can stand y'all up. Right.